Hello everyone, welcome back to the Autopilot for Everyone series. In the previous video, we have discussed what are starting prompts, difference between default prompts and the custom prompts. In this video, we are going to see how we can create new custom prompts that you can provide based on the department and the category wise. So let's dive in. To get started with creation of the custom prompt, you have to navigate to your cloud account, then to the admin panel, and in the admin panel go to the AI trust layer and then to the autopilot for everyone tab. Then you have to select a particular tenant where your autopilot is installed. Now below you can see the starting prompts, this drop down. In that one you have orchestrator folder, and if you open the drop down, then you can select a particular folder where your autopilot is currently installed. So I'm going to select personal workspace because my autopilot is installed on that particular folder. So these are some of the default prompts which came directly with the out of the box when you install the autopilot for everyone on your system. So that we have already seen, and those are already available in the general department because those prompts are already created in the general department, right? To create a custom prompts, what we need to do is we have to click on the create new option over here. Then this creating new starting prompt window will appear for you. And today I have some starting prompts for IT and the HR department. So that we are going to create. So we are going to create two departments, HR and the IT. And in the departments, we are going to create category as well. Like the first category will be hardware support. Then the second one will be the user access management for the IT department. And for the HR department, we have employee management category and then leave and attendance. So those prompts we are going to create over here. So I'll just pass on those information directly over here. So we'll start with the IT department. So I'm going to copy the department name IT. And as I mentioned, we are going to create a category called hardware support and prompt display to the user. So this particular prompt will be visible to the user if we navigate to the autopilot. And just like this, in the create category, help me write an agenda for my meeting. So that particular prompt will be visible to the user in the autopilot. So I'm going to pass the prompt display to the user as resolve printer connectivity or printing issues. And in the prompt sent to AI, I have pasted this different query like the user is unable to print documents, provide troubleshooting steps including checking printer connectivity, restarting the printer, spooler services. That particular note will be sent to the AI and you'll get response back based on the this prompt sent to AI. You can directly go and save. So now you can see we have this prompt added over here in the department called IT, and the category is hardware support, and this will be our prompt display to user and prompt sent to AI will be this. Now if I go back to the autopilot, now I'm not able to see any of the different department that we have created is available over here. So for that, what you need to do is, first of all, you have to save the changes after you have created any prompt. Then reflect the changes in the autopilot in the assistant. The first thing you can do is you can quit the assistant and restart. After restart, those particular prompts will be available that we have created. Again, it will install new policies, and after setting up everything, those prompts will be available. Now on the screen, if I selected a particular drop down for a department, in the departments, I'm getting general and the IT. So IT department we have created, and if I selected a IT department, so now you can see I'm getting a prompt that we have created just now. Now what we'll do is we'll again add different prompts for HR department and the IT department. So I'll create a new department is the IT one. I'll give the category as user access management, and the prompt displayed to the user will give as request access to internal application or system. And now what I'll do is I'll take this checkbox to display prompt as a feature prompt, and also enable a require a file upload along with the prompt. So let's see what happens. I'll click on save. So the second prompt is also added. Now we'll create a HR department. HR category will be my employee management, and prompt displayed to the user will be guide me through the employee onboarding process, and the prompt sent to AI will be just like this. A new employee has joined the company. Provide a step-by-step onboarding process, including document submission, system access setup, training schedules, and HR policy briefings. So I'm going to display prompt as a feature prompt, and as it says like the document submission and everything, so that's why I'm going to enable this option called require a file upload along with this prompt, and I'll click on save. I have added two different prompts for IT department and the HR department now. And again, I'll click on save, changes saved successfully. And to refresh policies, what I'll do is I'll simply go and quit the assistant, and again, I'll restart. Now again, if I selected a particular department, if I go to the IT, now you can see the second prompt that we have created in the user access management category, and this one is featured by COE now, and it has this label like this is the featured prompt. If I selected this one, so just like this, and even we have enabled the option to upload a supporting file to that, right? That's why it has added an option just to add a file over here, and it automatically added the prompt which needs to be sent to the AI, the same prompt that we have added in the prompt sent to AI. So that will become over here and you can send it directly. And let's see the first prompt that we have created. So in this one, if you remember, we have not enabled upload file option. So that's why we are not getting the uploadation of the file over here. Similar to the IT department, we have created the HR department as well. And in the HR department, we have created a category called employee management, and we have enabled the feature called featured prompt, right? So that's why we are getting this prompt as a featured prompt. And if I selected this particular prompt, and we have also enabled the file upload. So as it says document submission is there. So that's why we can upload a file, any supporting file that we want to upload. You just have to send the prompt and you will get a response back based on the prompt that you have given. Right now we are getting some generic response back from the autopilot. I hope you got an understanding how to create custom prompts for different departments using different categories, and how you can feature those prompts, and how you can enable those file upload for a certain prompts. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI powered content. See you in the next episode. Until then, happy automation.